There's still one more important filter to add. I only want to retrieve P&L figures because this is a profit and loss planner. I know that my account type field contains that information. This is just one example, and every tenant can be structured differently. So it is important to understand how your fields are set up and what values they contain. If you don't know that immediately, you can check the field content from within the formula screen. That allows you to inspect the field and see what kinds of values it contains. Here, I look at account type in the chart of accounts. I can see values for balance sheet account and also values for P&L accounts. So I apply another filter using contains again. This time, I tell the query to only include accounts where the account type contains P&L. That means the query now has 3 filters, one for the year, one for the company, and one that only keeps profit and loss accounts. That is enough for now, so I click Apply and I move on to the report layout. Now